Hello, good morning to all and everyone. 12 Commerce Statistics, in which we take the revision for section C and section D theory portion. Generally, students are focusing on the practical example, numerical example, and they neglect or they avoid theory part, and so they do not get the good marks or complete score in statistics. The required questions for 2 marks and 3 marks generally asked in section C or section D in our paper, final paper. Right? Answer the following question. Today we discuss only the questions. You have to write the answer from textbook only, as per textbook. In your notebook, please write the answers one by one and complete it. State the utilities and the main limitations of the cost of living index number. The consumer price index number, chapter number 1, index number, in which one important topic, the cost of living index number or the consumer price index number, in which there are two methods, total expenditure method and family budget method. We have to write the utilities, means uses, and the main limitations of the method, cost of living index number. As per textbook, if you write 6.6 above the point, then you will get 3 marks. Half marks for each point. State the properties of coefficient of correlation. R, Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation, always lies between -1 and +1 inclusive of both the values. And moreover, R, it is independent of change of origin and scale both. It is independent of change of origin as well as scale. State the properties of regression coefficients. B by x, the regression coefficient of y on x, and dxy, the regression coefficient of x on y. They are the regression coefficients, right? They can't exceed 1 at a time. If b by x is greater than 1, then bxy must be less than 1. If b by x less than 1, then other vice versa. In case of regression coefficients, they are independent of change of origin, but not of the scale. They are independent of change of origin, but not of the scale. Explain in brief the scatter diagram method for studying the correlation. If a perfect positive correlation, perfect negative correlation, points are plotted or points are scattered in a straight line manner or in a straight line system, right? From lower left corner to upper right corner, from upper left corner to lower right corner, and we have studied very well. All these questions are of the statistics part 1. See, statistics part 1, revision only. Generally asked for 2 marks or 3 marks. You must prepare all these questions. If only 2 questions are asked in section C and another 2 questions are asked in section D, then it will contain total 10 marks. 2 questions for 2 marks means 2 to the 4, and other 2 questions in 3 marks means division D, section D, then it will contain 6 marks. And most of the students, more than half of the students, do not attend this part, and so they not get the good marks or cannot score higher marks, right? You must prepare and be careful about statistics theory. Explain in brief the scatter diagram method. This method is the diagrammatic or graphic method, and the main limitation of this method is that one can get the nature or the type of correlation, but not exact magnitude, means value of R, with the help of scatter diagram, and it is the main limitation of this scatter diagram method. Why Fisher's index number is known as ideal index number, chapter number 1, index number. Fisher's index number is the geometric mean, of both last year and past index number, and geometric mean is considered as the best average for constructing index number, and so Fisher index number is known as the good index number, best index number, ideal index number. and other reasons also. You refer textbook and get the answer according to textbook and write the answer step by step, point wise, according to the textbook. State the attitude model of time series and importance or utilities of the time series. In which concept or in which field we make use of time series. For example, trend means long-term movement, seasonal trend, cyclic trend, and random variations. Also, components of the time series. Explanation means explain in brief. These four are the main components. Trend means long-term movement. Seasonal movement means seasonal variations. Cyclic in most of the business cycles, right? Cyclic movements. And random variations or irregular variations. The time period, the example, both are included in these questions. Differentiate means distinguish between fixed base method and the chain based method. Chapter number 1, index number. Mainly there are two methods, fixed base method and chain based method. Fixed base in which 1 year means fixed, remain fixed for the base period, and in the chain based method, each and every year base year is transferred, which previous year is considered as the base period. In the case of chain based method, state the main limitations of the graphical method. Graphical method in time series. We can estimate, we can judge the direction with the help of graphical method, that in which direction trend is going on. But one cannot get the exact value or estimated value with the help of graphical method, and it is the main limitation of the graphical method of the time series. But you must write answer from textbook only. Then and then you will get the marks. Minimum 4 points, then you get 2 marks. 6 points, then you get 3 marks. This type of questions can be asked in section C or in section D. And finally, state the utilities of the regression analysis. In regression analysis, one is the dependent variable, another is the independent variable. Means regression line of y on x, y is dependent and x is independent. And one can estimate if height of the father and height of the son. If height of son is given, we can estimate height of father. Or if height of father is given, we can estimate the height of son with the given variable or value of x bar, value of y bar or b. Means state the utilities of the regression analysis. Such type of questions must be prepared by you in order to make the complete score 100 out of 100. Generally, students neglect or avoid this theory part, and so they will be in trouble at the time of examination. Theory is also important. Any paper you take, in statistics, you take any paper, board examination, 2018, 2019, 2020 or any year, barabar? Then it will contain minimum 30 marks, 30 to 35% of theory and remaining practical example. So be prepared well for theory portion also. In statistics, theory is also much more important. It will be helpful in section A, MCQ type question, section B, answer in short, in section C or section D, this type of questions, and be prepared well all the questions as per required. So thank you everybody. See you.